here is where to learn the throne skill in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. Well, the throne skill can be learned only by warriors, hunters and rogues already have that by default learned, alright? So if you are a warrior or a hunter, this tutorial might be for you, especially for warriors, because hunters will need bows instead of thrones, but you can learn it if you want. So to learn the throne skill, you will have to get for the Alliance right here in Darnassus, because here you can locate the weapon master in Darnassus, which will teach you the throne skill if you come with the right class to her. And now for the Horde, you will have to come right here in Orgrimmar, in Durotar, in the north of Orgrimmar, in the Valley of Honor. You can locate the weapon master of Orgrimmar, and if you come to him, he will teach you the throne skill if you are a warrior, hunter, and as I said, rogues already have it since level 1. So I hope this tutorial helped you out on how to get the throne skill in WoW WoTLK, in WoTLK Classic. A comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.